Hi again, Micah Mitchell here. I am a Dynamics AX Support Specialist with Clients First Business Solutions. In this short video, we are going to review engineering values and their role in ProMRO. As we discussed in the previous video, ProMRO enhances Dynamics AX Project through the use of quick templates and forms which provide easy creation of quotes and projects and customer-owned equipment traceability. Part of this process is collecting engineering values. In order to collect engineering values, we need to set up engineering data templates. So that's where we're going to go right now. And we're going to look at the template KIPI motor. Basically, the engineering data templates would be set up for each piece of equipment that you are going to receive in. And these templates can be used over and over to collect pertinent data regarding either testing data or certification data, whatever data you need to collect for a specific piece of equipment. And this data can be found throughout the system. It can be accessed in project or it can be accessed through quotes. And you can also report to your customer on this data. The other great thing is we can utilize AX's functionality of document handling. So you can actually attach any testing data, forms, or any of the certifications that you receive. You can also dictate what type of data you're going to collect. So if it's optional or if it's required, and if it's going to be a drop-down menu of, say, your employees, or if it's going to be a text field, or if it's got to be a number. So you can put all of this in, and yes, it might be a little bit of work on the front end, but once you get all this information in, it's so easy to access and so easy to fill out. And it also gives you an idea of what kind of testing is going to be needed for each type of equipment, and you can kind of just go down the list and you can see when you're working with this equipment, well, was the previous test completed? So I can move on to the next test. So it's a great tool, great tool. So we're going to go ahead and go into that equipment table that we were discussing last session, and we're going to look at our equipment serial number 101. Another great thing about engineering values, again, is that whenever the customer calls in, you can go directly to the equipment table, and if they need to know, hey, has this test been done? Is this cert available? You can go ahead and go to Inquiry Engineering Values and look up all of the information on that piece of equipment. And you can also go to the document handler and print out the certifications if they're attached. So it's quick and easy, and you get that information directly to your customer right away. You can also make any changes to the engineering data here. So for this piece of equipment, we're going to go ahead and look at this, and we're going to change this power unit of measure. Maybe somebody entered it wrong or whatever. And we're going to go ahead and change it. And then you can choose to propagate that to any open, all the open projects and or all the finished projects. So you have complete control over this information. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. And then we're going to go to the actual project now. So you can see that this information flows through the system. It is available on the equipment table, it's available on quotes, and it is available on the project. We're on the project, and we're going to go to Inquiry, Engineering Values. And as you can see, we've got all the information right here at our fingertips. And we can tell what needs to be done still with this, what information still needs to be collected on here. Okay, that's all for now. Look for our next short video where we will be discussing the benefit of service profiles. Thank you for your time.